When students take courses within the College of NTID, we use what we call direct instruction. Direct instruction means instructors communicate directly with students using a variety of communication strategies. These strategies may include sign language without voice, sign language with voice, spoken language, finger spelling, printed or visual aids, web-based instructional materials, individual tutoring. When students take courses within the College of NTID, we make every effort to place students in classes with instructors who match student communication preference. However, when students take courses in the other colleges of RIT, they can use access services. These access services may include sign language interpreting, assisted listening systems, real-time captioning, note-taking services. No matter what their preferred method of communication is, we work with all of our students to make sure they have access to information inside and outside the classroom. This is very important to us and to your success.